Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Y5p, and I'll show you how to enter text correction options on this device. So first you should go to the to the settings application and scroll all the way down to the system and updates. Now just tap here to the language and input, and here click to your currently Swift keyboard. Now just here you can see the typing section, click here, and here we got the typing and autocorrect. So here we can see find all of the autocorrect and text correction options. We can here, as you can see, enable or disable the emoji predictions, the autocorrect, the quick prediction insert, the quick period, the auto capitalize, the gesture input. We can change it from the flow to the gestures, and to show the predictions after the flow. And here, as can you see, we got here all of these options, and we just can change them here by this way. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.